Too late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives, cat rides, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you put.
Hi, we're on our way to Batu Caves and Genting Highlands. Here's Che, OOTD. Guys, by the way, dito kami, nice room, 21st floor. This is up to 53 floors, so we're just on the 21. There's me. We're going down. Hi, Mommy. Ganda na flag. So guys, right now nandito kami sa, I think this is basement of Pavilion Mall. So ang daming mabibili dito. Like this Nyonya colors. So see. Hi, dito kami sa Batu Caves, guys. So this is our first time here. So many people. Here you'll find one of the biggest Marugan statue. I don't know if I got it right. Marugan statue, 43 meters high. They said this is one of the biggest statue here. So for you to go to the caves, like so many Hindu temples inside. So you have to climb that stairs. Ingat lang daw kayo guys once here kasi maraming monkeys and they usually take your stuff. So please be very careful.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi, we're now here at Genting Island. So if you wanna go here, gusto nyo pumunta, ito yung mga shops. So baka nandito yung ilan sa mga favorite shops nyo, favorite brands. So screenshot nyo na lang. Yan. By the way, we got here through Grab from Batu Caves. So it cost us around 120 ringgit. The view is nice going here. It's like Sa Pilipinas, parang kang papunta sa Baguio, papunta sa Tagaytay. There's Che. There's Hugo Boss. And a lot more. It's kind of raining. The weather now is like 20 degrees. It's kind of cold. Unlike kanina sa Bato Cave, sobrang init. But here, it's nice. It's nice. It's really nice. Medyo comforting na. So one of the must visit place for me here, once you're here in Malaysia. There's Ralph Lauren, Michael Kors, there's Coach, there's Armani. Mukhang may view deck dito. Let's see. Ang ganda dito, guys. Genting Highlands Premium Outlets. Oh, look at that. So nice spot. So cold. A bit cold. Nakakatulong yung medyo umuulan. Kaya medyo malamig. So it's good. Kasi kanina sobrang init sa Bato Caves talaga. So now it's nice. Okay guys, I'll just find Che. Pumasok yata siya somewhere dito sa Ralph Lauren. Hi guys, dito kami sa Low Street side ng Genting Premium Outlets. So pakita ko lang sa inyo yung view. Look how foggy. So pag gusto nyo mag-relax, pag dito kayo sa Malaysia, punta lang kayo dito guys, so, sa Genting Highlands. Dito sa may baba, below the Highlands, nandito yung Premium Outlets. So dito kayo pwedeng sumakay ng cable car going up. So yun guys, so you can spend some couple of hours here muna shopping before you go up. So punta kami dito guys, kakain muna kami dito sa Malaysian cuisine. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Madame Kwan. Actually, time check is like almost 5 o'clock. Ngayon pala kami magla-lunch ni Che. So here, we're trying authentic Malaysian cuisine. Here's curry laksa. Our favorite. Used to have laksa many times in Quezon City. If you're familiar with Banawe area, yung masarap na laksa dun. So we're always there. So try namin ito authentic. And so satay. These are chicken and beef satay. There's some satay sauce. And also si Che is trying some nasi something, we forgot the name, pero meron siyang chicken, shrimp, fried rice. Chicken is very crunchy, it's deep fried. And it's very nice. And we also have coffee. Dumaan kami sa Starbucks on our way here. So just to fire us up again. So join us. Guys, we're here sa Connection. So this is Pavilion Mall. So meron ditong underpass, you'll see. So take that underpass. Nandyan meron dyan magandang food court sa baba. So doon sa food court, meron din doon tunnel, subway. You can cross the street going to Fahrenheit. So pagka umuulan, saka pag mainit, you can use that subway getting across the street. So dito sa Connection sa Pavilion, there's a lot of shops and coffee shop. There's Arabica here. There is my daughter's favorite, Yao Yao here. Medyo ang laki ng liyaw-liyaw, oh. Shout out to my daughters. Favorite nila yan. And also this one, there's Five Guys. Ito, Red Tail by Zook. This is also from Five Guys. And a lot more. There's Starbucks. So here, when you turn right, ito na yung Pavilion Mall. So dito na medyo mga high-end shops. So for those of you who love luxury shoppings, dito siya. Ang luxury shoppings here is this one. And also from Soria in KLCC and TRX Exchange Mall. So doon, yung pinakabago. And this is Paris Baguette. Hi guys! So today we are on our last and final day here in Malaysia. So today we're just going to explore Bukit Bintang. Actually, our hotel is also just here at Bukit Bintang. So right now we are here at Al Amar Express. It's a Lebanese cuisine. So mag-lunch lang muna kami ni She before we explore Bukit Bintang. Actually, mamaya pala yung flight namin would be around 8 p.m. So, we'll probably leave here around 4 or 5 p.m. going to the airport. Our airport is like 1 hour from here. So, siguro probably we'll leave around 4:30 p.m. So, just in time for to check in for our flight.
You pull your hair on the back slip. You know I like it like that. The other girls in the backseat, me in the front 'cause I'm bad. And it feels like the prom. That's so nervous, so I got a little drunk. And they're waiting
Guys, dito pala sa may
for us.
pandami na rin.
Hey, you, jumping on Cadillacs. Here's to the best that we'll ever have. Everyone's watching, we're
Guys, so we have to end the vlog. So siguro ganito na lang. Again, thank you. This is our first ever vlog. So sana supportahan nyo kami in our channel. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.